But now I want you to understand something. Everything material really begins on the spiritual level. Our Father is in heaven. Father means spiritual source. Most of you Christians think that our Father in heaven is an old man with gray beard sitting up there on a throne. Our Father in heaven is the highermost creative principle. Hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. Where? In earth, just like it is done. A man can receive no thing unless it be given him from heaven. I, John, divine love, saw the heavenly city, the New Jerusalem, coming down from God out of heaven. I'm going to risk a little more heresy, but let me explain something to you from the point of physics. And I've got to touch on money here again as a vibration, as a psychic vibration on that level for a moment. There is a certain point of vibration where thoughts become things, where the invisible becomes visible. Nothing is really static. Everything is in motion. Even this lectern here that seems solid, it is not. It began as an invisible idea in heaven at the very highest source with our Father. And when that idea began to come down, it got to the mental and the psychic level. And some man sat down with pad and paper or with a computer and sketched it out. And that thought became a thing. I find it interesting, and here is the worst heresy that you've heard tonight, perhaps, that a lot of Christians are dying to get to heaven. And I don't really remember where the Bible says that you get to heaven by dying. But I do know that Jesus taught us in the Lord's Prayer to call heaven down. Let me hear you say, come here, heaven. Come here. Right here in my kitchen. Right here in my pocketbook. Stand up, let's finish this heresy. Well, it's the same thing. Thy King, our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom, what? Come. I put an exclamation point. I punctuate it differently from the way King James did. See, that's another thing. I'm not bound by King James's punctuation. I pray thy kingdom come. Thy will be done. No, not over yonder. Not when I get up there. If I ever get up there, I won't need anything. But thy kingdom come, thy will be done where? On earth. Right here on 125th Street. Right here in Philadelphia.